If you've ever wondered how businesses attract customers online, increase sales, and build successful brands, the answer is often digital marketing. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, freelancer, student, or someone looking to build a career in marketing, learning digital marketing is one of the most valuable skills in today's digital economy. The good news? You don't need a marketing degree or years of experience to get started. In this guide, Janice explains everything beginners need to know using simple language and practical examples. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the process of promoting products, services, or brands using digital channels such as websites, search engines, social media, email, mobile apps, online advertising, video platforms, AI-powered marketing tools. Unlike traditional marketing such as newspapers, TV, or flyers, digital marketing allows businesses to reach highly targeted audiences while measuring results in real time. Why is digital marketing important? Today, almost every customer begins their buying journey online. People search Google before making purchases. They watch YouTube videos. They browse Facebook and Instagram. They read reviews. They compare prices. Businesses that don't have a strong online presence risk losing customers to competitors who do. Digital marketing helps businesses increase brand awareness, generate qualified leads, build trust and credibility, increase website traffic, improve customer engagement, boost online sales, measure marketing performance, achieve a higher return on investment, or ROI. The main types of digital marketing. Digital marketing consists of several key strategies. Each one plays an important role in helping businesses attract customers, build relationships, and increase sales. Let's explore the main types of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization (SEO). SEO is the process of improving your website so it appears higher in Google search results. Good SEO helps people find your business without paying for every click. SEO includes keyword research, high-quality content, website speed, mobile-friendly design, internal linking, backlinks. Technical SEO. SEO is a long-term investment that continues generating traffic over time. 2. Content marketing. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable information that helps your audience. Examples include blog articles, videos, tutorials, podcasts, guides, infographics, case studies. Instead of selling immediately, good content educates, solves problems, and builds trust. 3. Social media marketing. Social media helps businesses connect directly with customers. Popular platforms include Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, Threads, Pinterest. Successful businesses don't just post promotions. They share useful, engaging, and entertaining content consistently. 4. Email marketing. Email remains one of the highest ROI marketing channels. Businesses use email to welcome new subscribers, share newsletters, announce promotions, launch new products, educate customers, build long-term relationships. Building an email list means you own your audience rather than relying entirely on social media algorithms. 5. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. PPC advertising allows businesses to display ads on search engines and social media. Examples include Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads. You only pay when someone clicks your advertisement. PPC provides fast traffic, but requires proper targeting and budgeting. 6. Video marketing. Video has become one of the fastest-growing forms of digital marketing. Popular platforms include YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn Video. Videos can demonstrate products, answer customer questions, build trust, increase engagement, improve search rankings. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows others to promote your products in exchange for a commission. It's a performance-based marketing strategy because you only pay when sales are generated. 8. Influencer marketing. Businesses collaborate with influencers who already have loyal audiences. When done correctly, influencer marketing increases brand awareness, trust, product visibility, sales. The digital marketing funnel. Every customer follows a journey before making a purchase. Successful digital marketing supports customers throughout this entire journey. The digital marketing funnel consists of 5 stages. Awareness. This is where customers first discover your business. They may find you through search engines. They may discover you on social media. They may watch one of your videos. They may click on an online advertisement. Or they may hear about your business through recommendations. The goal at this stage is simple. Help potential customers become aware that your business exists. Interest. Once customers discover your business, they begin learning more about it. They may visit your website, read your blog articles, watch your videos, follow your social media pages, or subscribe to your email newsletter. This is your opportunity to educate your audience and build trust. Consideration. At this stage, customers compare different businesses before making a decision. They read reviews, compare prices, evaluate products and services, and look for the best solution to meet their needs. Businesses that provide valuable information, excellent customer experiences, and strong credibility have a better chance of winning new customers. Conversion. This is the stage where customers take action. They may purchase a product, subscribe to a newsletter, request a quotation, book a consultation, or contact your business for more information. A simple user experience and clear calls to action can significantly improve conversion rates. Loyalty. The customer journey doesn't end after the first purchase. Satisfied customers often return to buy again. They recommend your business to family and friends, leave positive reviews, and become loyal supporters of your brand. Building long-term customer relationships is just as important as acquiring new customers. Essential digital marketing skills. Beginners should focus on developing these core skills. SEO, copywriting, content creation, social media management, Google Analytics, email, marketing, AI, tools, video, editing, website management, marketing strategy. Mastering these skills creates a strong foundation for long-term success. How artificial intelligence is changing digital marketing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming digital marketing faster than ever before. Today, AI helps businesses generate content ideas, write blog posts, create social media captions, produce marketing images, analyze customer data, personalize email campaigns, improve SEO, automate repetitive tasks, create videos faster. AI can dramatically improve productivity. However, AI is a tool. Human creativity, strategy, critical thinking, and understanding customer behavior remain essential. The most successful marketers combine AI with their own knowledge and experience. Common beginner mistakes. Many beginners make avoidable mistakes. Some of the most common include trying every social media platform at once, ignoring SEO, publishing inconsistent content, buying fake followers, not tracking results, creating content without understanding customer needs, expecting instant success, failing to build an email list. Digital marketing is a long-term strategy. Businesses that stay consistent and continue learning are far more likely to achieve lasting success. Free tools beginners can use. Many powerful digital marketing tools are available at no cost. Some of the most useful include Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Google Trends, Google Keyword Planner, Canva, ChatGPT, Microsoft Designer, WordPress, Shopify free trial, Meta Business Suite, YouTube Studio. These tools can help businesses improve their marketing, understand their audience, create better content, and monitor performance. As your business grows, you can invest in more advanced marketing platforms. How to start learning digital marketing. If you're new to digital marketing, here's a simple roadmap to follow. Learn the fundamentals of SEO. Build your own website or blog. Publish helpful content regularly. Learn social media marketing. Study email marketing. Experiment with AI tools. Understand Google Analytics. Learn paid advertising. Analyze successful businesses. Continue learning because digital marketing evolves constantly. The best way to learn digital marketing is by applying what you study through real projects. Knowledge becomes valuable when it's put into practice. Frequently asked questions. One of the most common questions beginners ask is digital marketing difficult to learn?
No.
Beginners can learn the fundamentals of digital marketing with consistent practice. The key is applying what you learn instead of simply reading about it. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Another common question is, do I need coding skills?
No.
Most modern website builders and digital marketing platforms require little or no coding knowledge. Platforms such as WordPress, Shopify, and many marketing tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to get started. Another frequently asked question is, how long does it take to learn digital marketing? You can understand the basics within a few weeks. However, becoming proficient usually takes several months of regular practice and real-world experience. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is an important part of long-term success. Another common question is SEO better than paid advertising? Both have their advantages. SEO builds sustainable organic traffic over time. Paid advertising can deliver immediate visibility and faster results. Many successful businesses use a combination of both strategies to maximize their marketing performance. Another question people often ask is, can AI replace digital marketers? AI can automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. However, strategy, creativity, brand storytelling, and understanding customer behavior still require human expertise. The future of digital marketing isn't humans versus AI. It's humans working together with AI to achieve better results. Final thoughts. Digital marketing is no longer optional. It has become an essential skill for businesses, professionals, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to succeed in today's digital economy. Start by learning the fundamentals. Focus on creating value for your audience. Measure your results. Build a strong website. Publish helpful content. Optimize your website for search engines. Engage your audience through social media. And embrace AI to improve productivity and marketing performance. Remember, digital marketing is not about chasing every new trend. It's about understanding your audience, solving their problems, and consistently delivering value. With the right strategy, continuous learning, and consistent action, you can build a strong online presence, attract more customers, and achieve sustainable business growth. Ready to grow your business with digital marketing? Reading guides and watching tutorials are excellent ways to learn. However, implementing an effective digital marketing strategy takes planning, experience, and continuous optimization. If you're looking to grow your business, improve your online presence, or leverage AI and digital technologies more effectively, Janice Ong is here to help. At Janice Ong Training and Consulting, Janice Ong provides practical, results-driven training and consulting services for individuals, entrepreneurs, startups, SMEs, and organizations. Services OFFERED Digital Marketing Strategy, AI for Business and Marketing, Search Engine Optimization or SEO, Website Design and Development using WordPress and Shopify, E-commerce Strategy and Growth, Content Marketing and Blogging, Social Media Marketing, YouTube Strategy and Channel Growth, Business Development and Sales Strategy, Corporate Training and Workshops, One-to-One Business and Marketing Consulting. With more than 25 years of experience in business development, sales, marketing, consulting, and professional training, Janice Ong helps clients develop practical strategies that deliver measurable results. Whether your goal is to generate more leads, increase website traffic, improve Google search rankings, launch or grow an online store, build a stronger brand, create a high-converting website, improve your digital marketing performance, learn how to use AI to work smarter, Janice Ong can help you create a customized strategy tailored to your business goals. Explore Janice Ong's free tutorials. Read more expert articles on this website. Subscribe to Janice Ong's YouTube channel for practical business and marketing tips. Or contact Janice Ong to learn how her training and consulting services can help accelerate your digital growth. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact Janice Ong today. Build a smarter, stronger, and more profitable digital future. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future tutorials covering AI, digital marketing, business growth, technology, and practical how-to guides. Thank you for watching.